Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be really fun because I have the new Colourpop Mystery Bag right here to play with. This is really exciting because this is the first time that Colourpop has ever released a mystery bag. If you see on YouTube, a lot of YouTubers, do open up their mystery bags which are from Amazon or eBay. Now the thing with Amazon or eBay mystery boxes are that they could be a lot of hit or miss. So I never really purchased this kind of mystery boxes. I was always intrigued by them, but I never really purchased them. Now the only other beauty company that's currently doing mystery bags is Beautylish, which is similar to Sephora. They do a really good mystery bag. Their mystery bags are very expensive, so I don't usually get the Beautylish ones, but I know they have really good products in them. Also, Jeffree Star Cosmetics, they have been doing mystery bags since end of last year. So I'm really happy that Colourpop came up with their own version. Well, first of all, I was really excited because this Colourpop mystery bag was only $25 and it's supposed to contain actually $55 worth of product in here. So that's a really good deal. And second thing is, I love Colourpop anyways. You guys have seen me here on my channel reviewing so many Colourpop products, over the last 2 years. So I'm really curious to see what I got in my mystery bag. I was trying really hard to not look at social media pictures because a lot of people already posted the pictures of what they got in their mystery bags. And before I open up the bag, I also want to say that I'll do a tutorial with the products that I get in the mystery bag. Cannot wait to open up these products. So if you guys are interested, then just keep on watching. It's very exciting. Okay, so the first thing is this thing right here. This is Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip. Oh, this is really pretty. It's called Flying Horses. I think I might already own this color. I'm not quite sure, but let me do a swatch for you. So this is Colourpop Flying Horses Ultra Glossy Lip. I don't know if you guys can see right here. It's just a glossy lip. On my arm, it'll probably show almost colorless, but that's the swatch right there. Moving on. What is this? Let me see. Okay, so this is the highlight of my life Super Shock Highlighter. Oh, I love the packaging. It never used to come in see-through packaging like this. Okay, so this is called Counting Sheep. This is a Super Shock Highlighter. So that is the highlighter right there. Oh, it's super nice. I don't have this color. It is pretty pale. So I don't know how it's gonna look on my face. Really like this kind of unicorn carton right here. It's really cool. Alright, so the next thing we have is Put Me On Your Lips Lippy Stick. Okay, I love a good lippy stick. These are some of my favorites. It's Ziggy, which is a Matte X formula. I like the Matte X formulas. They're really nice. So that is Ziggy right there. That's the color of the lipstick. That's really pretty. It's one of my favorite colors to put on. Mystery boxes are actually a great idea for brands because sometimes they can put sneak peeks in there. Sometimes they can get rid of excess stock like this. Okay, so the next thing in the bag is this thing. It's called Colourpop Ultra Blotted Lip. I've never really tried ultra blotted lips before, so I'm curious about the formula. This one is in the shade Doozy. It's a really pretty pink shade. That's Doozy right over here. So ultra blotted lips are more of that sheer formula, but they're just for everyday wear. So that's Doozy right over there. Alright, so the next product we have, this is the BFF Volumizing Mascara. I'm really excited about this one because this is one of their newer releases. And this is their first mascara that they've ever put out in their line. So I'm really excited about that. This is a black one, black on black. Okay, so we have the mascara right here, which is the BFF Volumizing Mascara. This is how the wand looks like. Now it looks like one of those standard volumizing ones that I love so much from Too Faced or Charlotte Tilbury. So I'm excited to see how this looks on my eyes. And of course, how the formula is. I want to see if this is any good. Okay, so the next thing I have, oh, I actually picked out two things. Okay, so the first thing we have right here is Colourpop Sequin Super Shock Eyeshadow. I love their Super Shock eyeshadow formula. I love their Super Shock line anyways. Those are really pretty. And this is a standard rose gold type shade. It's really beautiful. That's the shade right there. It's really, really pretty. Next thing we had in the bag was this Colourpop Luxe lipstick. This is in the shade Sphinx. It's the new Velvet Blur formula. Again, I've not tried their Velvet Blur formula. So that's the shade right there. It's so pretty. It's light pink. I have something right here. Ooh, that's a... Oh, I love these like single shadows. So this is the color right here, which is Snake Eyes. So that's the shade right there. It's a gorgeous kind of rosy taupe shade. It's really, really pretty. I'm happy that the colors are sort of cohesive, so I can do a good look with this, you know. Alright, so last thing in the bag is this Party of 5 Super Shock Shadow in Ultra Glitter. Look at this color. It's so, so beautiful. It's a duochrome pink. It has like purple reflects almost. It's really, really pretty. So we're gonna try these products out right now. Not all of the lip products, obviously. I can only put like 1 or 2 on them. So I'll zoom you guys a little closer. So the only face product I got in here is the highlighter. So I need to add in some bronzer, some blush, and I'll be right back. I already had powder, foundation, and concealer on and my brows done, but I didn't know what other face products I was gonna get. The first thing I'm gonna try out is this Super Shock Cheek highlighter in the shade Counting Sheep. I'm gonna use a Colourpop brush for this. So just use the product like that and then just apply it. You know, just like so. It's very subtle. I didn't think it would be that subtle, to be honest. Okay, just put some down the nose. So I was kind of afraid that this would be too white for me, but it looks really, really subtle on my cheeks. Almost gives a nice sheen. I love this cheek formula because it is like a cream to powder type of formula, and it's really, really soft. So it's really easy to apply. We're gonna move on to doing our eyeshadows next. I think I'm gonna try this one right here, which is the Sequin Super Shock Shadow. It is that sort of rose gold kind of color. I'm just gonna use my fingers and just apply this. Just apply this all over. Again, gorgeous shade. Really, really pretty eyeshadow. It's so beautiful. It's so sparkly too. This pink one right here is not gonna go with the eye look, so I'm just gonna use that. And then I'm gonna go in and add a little bit of this Snake Eyes eyeshadow. I'm gonna take a Morphe flat brush and just use the Snake Eyes just right in the center, because it is a lighter shade that gives you just sort of that halo eye without being, you know, too obvious. Okay, so my eyes are looking a little bit dull, so I'm gonna take my Bobbi Brown liner and just line the lower lash line, because I feel like it looks pretty empty. I'm gonna put this highlighter in my tear duct area, just to bring some life, and also just a little bit on the brow bone. Next, we're gonna try the Colourpop BFF Volumizing Mascara. That's this mascara right here. I'm gonna curl my lashes real quickly. My lashes tend to get really straight. They never really hold curl that good. Okay, so we're gonna try out the mascara now. My lashes are not that long, guys, so I don't know if you can tell, but it looks pretty good like close up. It's a little bit clumpy, but I can work with it. It dries quickly too. Yeah, I think I'm gonna enjoy this mascara, guys. Okay, I'm gonna zoom you guys in real quickly, so hopefully you guys can see the mascara now. Not sure if you can tell. Okay, I'm gonna zoom out. So the last thing I want to try out are lipsticks. So first we're gonna go in with this Ultra Blotted Lip in the shade Doozy. I want to see how it looks on me. This is Doozy. This is a really pretty shade. Wow, it's really nice. It looks great on my lips. I didn't think it would show up because my lips are pigmented. Very nice. Very moisturizing. So I'm going to leave this on, but I'm going to go ahead and add the matte lippy stick on top, which is the color Ziggy. Again, it may look a little bit off because of that ultra blotted lip that I had at the bottom, but that's really pretty, you guys. Alright, so that's actually all of my makeup done. I am glad I got to try the ultra blotted lip because now I'm gonna put that in my makeup bag, and it's gonna be pretty much a staple. It's really, really nice. I really love how my eyes turned out. I know that I didn't really add any sort of crease color or anything like that, but it's a really sparkly, pretty eye look. Alright guys, so that completes today's video on this Colourpop mystery bag. I was really happy with all the products that they put in this bag. You know, the colors were really beautiful, really coordinated. I'm glad they didn't put any sort of odd color in there, something that you cannot really use. So the shades in here were pretty much wearable, and you know, it's for every day. So I'm glad I picked this mystery bag. So excited to keep trying this mascara out. It does dry out really quickly in between coats, so you have to work really fast with this mascara. I just found out that. But otherwise, you know, my lashes look pretty good. They are a little bit clumpy, but that you can expect from a volumizing mascara. You can use a comb to separate your lashes. I love a good inexpensive mascara, and Colourpop is giving it to us, so I'm really excited about this. Great mystery bag. I hope that in the future when they come out with mystery bags that I'm gonna pick them up as well. But one thing I would have to say is that they had way too many lipsticks in here, so I would have liked like a blush or a bronzer or something different. Let me know in the comments below if you guys enjoyed me revealing this mystery bag. If you guys did buy this Colourpop mystery bag, then what did you guys get? Leave me some comments down below as well. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit the like button, share, subscribe to my channel so that you can come back here for more good content. Have a great day or night.